Plastics is one of the most versatile innovations of our time. It is the single-use nature of plastics that has made it an ecological and environmental poison.
This is where Banyan Nation comes in. We at Banyan Nation leverage mobile technology and innovation to drive social change and solve what is perhaps the biggest problem of our times, that is plastic pollution. Hi, I'm Mani Vajpayee. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Banyan Nation.
Hi, I'm Raj Madan Gopal, co-founder and CEO of Banyan Nation.
Raj and I are passionate about solving real-world problems affecting the lives of everyday citizens. Recycling activities in India were relegated to the informal markets. The informal recyclers, that is the kabadiwalas, do a fantastic job of collecting discarded plastics. However, they lack the technical competence and the scientific rigor to convert them and process them into high-quality materials for mainstream applications and uses. Discarded shampoo bottles and lotion bottles have labels, inks, prints and remnant products. If those contaminants are not eliminated from plastic completely, the recycled plastic will have these material impurities in them. Recycled materials that contain such material impurities can only be converted into low-value applications such as benches, tables, buckets, mugs and chairs. As a result, FMCG majors, auto companies, even if they wanted to use recycled plastic for their products and packaging, were unable to use it.
Back in 2014, there was absolutely no data on the ground in terms of the amount of plastic waste that was getting generated at a neighborhood level. So we developed this data intelligence platform essentially to map out all the informal sector, kabadiwalas, raddiwalas, the various collectors and aggregators in the supply chain.
We trained them to segregate the materials based on our quality specifications. Once the materials are segregated, we take them through a series of plastic washing steps. It goes through our proprietary washing technology.
Plastics recycling is an extremely water-intensive process. So Banyan has invested in a state-of-the-art water recovery, recycling and management system that ensures that not only do we use the best quality water, but it also makes sure that we recover close to 100% of the water that we are consuming, thereby minimizing the depletion of groundwater on a day-to-day basis.
Our proprietary washing technology eliminates contaminants such as labels, adhesives, inks, and other product-related contaminants.
And what you get at the end of it is a very fine, high-quality pellet that goes off into mainstream products and packaging. This is the kind of shampoo bottle that we first started with, only that it was highly contaminated in nature. The plastic granules that come out of Banyan's operations are very close to virgin quality.
And as a result, giving the confidence to the FMCG majors that discarded bottles can be used back for mainstream products and packaging again. This is one of the largest demonstrations of circular economies in action. The next time you go to a store and pick up a shampoo bottle, see if it uses safe recycled plastic. Your actions are not just going to save the environment, but also reward the neighborhood kabadiwala for his all-important work. So maybe the next time you drive down the street, you can stop, wave at your kabadiwala and say hi to him.